Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro. Today we're unlocking 7 hidden Canva shortcuts for Windows users, game changers, that level up your creativity, speed up your workflow, and make your designs feel pro with less effort. These shortcuts are fast, practical, and they'll change the way you create forever. Now let's get started. Number 1. Add a new page instantly. This shortcut speeds up your creative flow when building multi-page designs like presentations, documents, or social carousels. No clicking around, just new pages right when you need them. Let's do it. Step 1. Open Canva through your browser and sign in so you're ready to create, ensuring your workspace is fully loaded with your recent designs and templates right at your fingertips. Step 2. Open a design or start a fresh one using any size or template you like. Pick a theme that matches your creative vision. Step 3. Press Ctrl+. Enter on your keyboard. Instantly, a brand new blank page appears directly under your current one, letting you stay deep in your workflow without hunting for buttons. Step 4. If you prefer visuals, click the plus add page button at the top right or bottom of your project to insert a fresh page with a single intentional click. Step 5. For perfect ordering, click the grid view icon bottom right. Then choose the plus sign anywhere to insert a page exactly where your layout needs it. Total control over storytelling. Number 2. Duplicate any element fast. Copying design elements keeps things visually consistent and saves you time from recreating styles repeatedly. Essential for branding, patterns, and staying aligned with your theme. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Select any design element. Text, photos, icons, shapes, logos, anything you want an exact twin of. Step 2. Press Ctrl+D and an instant duplicate appears in the same position. Drag it with your mouse or nudge with arrow keys to lock in perfect placement. Step 3. If you're working across pages, hit Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Ideal for extending consistent design language across multiple slides. Step 4. You can also right-click the element and choose Duplicates, a clean, mouse-friendly method that keeps everything intuitive. Step 5. Repeat wherever you want matching layouts, so your design looks polished, structured, and deeply intentional. Number 3. Group selected elements quickly. When multiple pieces behave as one, layouts become easier to manage and styling becomes consistent. True design harmony unlocked. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Hold Shift and click every element that belongs together. Watch the bounding box connect them like a squad ready to move together. Step 2. Press Ctrl+G and instantly everything becomes one controlled unit. Drag, scale, and rotate with absolute balance. Step 3. Prefer precision. Drag a selection box around multiple items. Then click Group in the toolbar floating above for a clean and visual experience. Step 4. Or right-click your selection and choose Group. It's the trusted approach for mouse-focused creators. Step 5. Need flexibility later? Press Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup and edit individually. Freedom with structure. Number 4. Insert a quick text box. Your thoughts deserve instant expression. This shortcut drops text right where creativity strikes. Let's do it. Step 1. Press the T key and Canva instantly places a crisp text box exactly where your cursor is. Zero clicking, pure momentum. Step 2. Type immediately to capture headings, captions, or quick ideas before inspiration slips away. Step 3. Drag the text box to any spot. Fine-tune positioning until it snaps perfectly into your visual composition. Step 4. Resize using the white handles. Stretch bold headlines or create neat, compact labels without disrupting flow. Step 5. Style it from the toolbar. Swap fonts, tweak alignment, adjust color harmony, boost letter spacing, set hierarchy. Bring your text to life with personality. Number 5. Resize from Element Center. Centered resizing keeps your layout grounded in symmetry. a small detail that gives your visuals a premium, intentional feel. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Select your element so its handles activate, giving you full control over shape and scale. Step 2. Hold Alt while dragging any corner handle. The element expands or shrinks perfectly from its center, maintaining a balanced footprint. Step 3. Hold Alt plus Shift while dragging to keep the original proportions intact. No warping, no stretching, pure structural integrity. Step 4. Release once the sizing syncs beautifully with surrounding elements. Every pixel aligned with purpose. Step 5. Make final adjustments with mouse or arrow keys, locking in symmetry like a true design pro. Number 6. Move element 1 pixel precisely. Pixel level movement, Junior Ultra Professional Visual Polish. Precision speaks. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Select the element so Canva knows exactly what you're adjusting. Set your target. Step 2. Tap the arrow keys to nudge it exactly 1 pixel at a time. Tiny moves that create clean spacing and tighter alignment. Step 3. Hold Shift plus arrow keys for 10 pixel jumps. Perfect for quick macro adjustments before you refine the micro details. Step 4. Watch as guides and snapping help everything align effortlessly. Canva is like your silent design partner. Step 5. Use this trick for perfect spacing, unbroken flow, and layouts that feel visually magnetic. Number 7. Fit design to screen. Seeing your full canvas gives you a smarter perspective. Fewer zoom headaches, more clarity. Let's do it. Step 1. Click the full screen icon bottom right, 2 arrows expanding outward, blocking out distractions so you can deeply review your work. Step 2. Scan everything. Spacing, imagery balance, color rhythm, text readability, the full story in one view. Step 3. Press ESC or click the merge arrows icon to exit instantly and jump back into editing mode. Step 4. For presentation-focused designs, use the present button top right to preview it in real-world style, how the world will see your creation. Step 5. If your project needs different screen proportions, hit Resize Pro or clone your layout into a new canvas size for platform-perfect results. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button on Saas Beast Pro to unlock more next-level creator powers. Stay sharp, stay creative, and keep building your world, one shortcut at a time.